we are going to continue from the next page. Before we continue, remember yesterday we were doing can and can't. Can and can't. And I said that can means doing something you know. And can't means something you cannot think of doing at all. Okay. So remember we gave examples like I can play, I can teach, I can teach. And then we also did we can teach. You can say plural or singular. Plural or singular, it means or one or two. So plural is two or more and singular is one. Okay, great. Okay, so we are going to go to the next page after can and can't. And the last page we did was 21. So we are doing have. Have is for possession. What is possession? What is possession? Possession is something belonging to you, something belonging to somebody, something belonging to who? Good or great. So it's either something belonging to you or something belonging to someone. Okay, so we use have. That is what is called possession. Possession. Look inside your book. On page 22, it's written on top of it, have, into brackets for possession. Then we are reading from this. Read this, and then we'll do, after explaining this, we'll do the classwork. Great. Okay. So it says, we use have to say what belongs to us. We make it like this. So the example is here. If you look inside of it, see this sign, which is addition, and this one is subtraction. The subtraction means something you don't have, or something that belongs to somebody, or something that you cannot have. Okay. Or you cannot, that cannot belong, that cannot be for you. Okay. All right. So when we read, you will see. So the first one is I have. Number one is I have. So you can say I have a car. I have a ball. I have a mango. I have a bag. I have some candies. So have is something that belongs to you or belongs to somebody. And something that you can never think of taking, or it belongs to somebody. That is the, so this is the addition and this is the subtraction. So I can't have something. So I can say, I do not have. So it doesn't belong to me. Or I have not seen it before. Or it can never become mine. I write, do not have. So I can say, I do not have. I do not have. So right now, what don't I have? I don't have. I don't have water. So I do not have water. Water. I do not have water. Good. So have is something, you can use it as something that belongs to you, or something that doesn't belong to you and belongs to somebody. So apart from I, you can use you. When you look inside the book, you can see there is you here, we and they. Okay, and we have the second one is he, she, and it. Apart from that, so we are doing this ones. So you can say you have, or we have, or they have. Okay, or you can also say they do not have. You don't have. So you can say you don't have, or you do not have. You don't have, or you do not have. Please look inside your book. When you look on the board, and look back into your book. So it's you don't have, or you do not have. Okay. When it comes to she, the two, especially when it comes to she, it becomes different. The two becomes different. You don't write she. You don't write she have. She cannot have. Okay. If it's it's she has. So has replaces have. If you are using she, that's another person. She has. He has. It has. So it's she has, or he has, or it has. So when it turns to she, the have becomes what? Has. Again, has. When it is he, the have becomes what? Has. So when you realize that it belongs to somebody who is a boy or a man, you can say a he, because if you don't want to mention the person's name, we can replace it a he. We are moving on. When you get to if she has, as soon as the have turns into has, the do here, because it's a she or a he, also turns from do not to does not. So I'll use he here. So he does not have. He does not have. Do turns into does, and then the has returns to have. Please don't get confused.